So I saw this video online, one of those GIFs that goes around from time to time, and I saw it just a minute ago again and decided to try it. So here we go. I'm adding butter to an already heated pan. Swirl that around really good. I've already got everything prepped, so hopefully this will be a streamlined thing. The pan is nice and hot. All right, I've got 3 eggs whipped with salt and pepper. And I'm gonna let those go for just a minute or two. Shouldn't take too very long because the pan was very, very hot. Here's hoping this isn't an epic fail. Then I believe they did this, and they did this. And then somehow I'm going to flip the whole thing. We'll see how this goes. I just got egg everywhere. Okay, but now we put a piece of cheese there. Piece of cheese there, and lots of bacon bits because I love lots of bacon. Let those sides cook just a little bit more. Let's do this just to even out the flavors a little bit. Okay. It got stuck to the bread, I think. Ow! And then flip it. That looks really greasy and wet, doesn't it? Wonder how this is going to be besides messy. Oh, that looks good. It smells amazing. But I'm going to have fun cleaning up the kitchen after this. And just that quickly, we got a double-decker grilled egg, cheese, and bacon sandwich. Can't wait to taste it. I'm betting it's going to taste awesome. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe.